Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. In today's video I want to do my eyebrows with you guys while attempting this hack that you use eco gel to set your eyebrows. So to start off, I'll be applying a little bit of the eco gel on my eyebrows, then go in with a spoolie and just comb the eyebrows out, and then set them by using the back of a makeup brush. After the gel has dried up, I'll then go in with the outlining of the eyebrow, and I'll be using the Davis eye pencil in the shade number 18 just to outline, and then I'll still go in with it to fill in the scarce areas or the places with no eyebrow hairs at all. At the front of the eyebrow, I'll be drawing upward strokes, while at the back, the rest of the eyebrow, I'll be mimicking the direction of the hair growth. That is curved strokes, and then just go in with a spoolie to blend everything out. Always remember to use a sharp pencil for a clear and sharp look. I'll do the same for this other brow, starting from the curve to the end, then just fill it in using the eye pencil. To clean my eyebrows out, I'll be using my foundation and concealer. The foundation is Maybelline Fit in the shade 360, and then concealer is Illegal in the shade I think Toffee. The concealer will go to the corner of the eye all the way to the end, and then I'll use the foundation at the start of my eyebrow, and I'll still use my foundation to clean the top part of my eyebrow. After I'm satisfied with the cleaning bit of it, I'll just take a fluffy brush and blend out the foundation and the concealer to avoid having any harsh lines. I'll be doing the same to this other brow. Start by cleaning the corner of the eyebrow all the way to the end, by using the concealer, then the front part using the foundation, and also the top part using the foundation. Blend out the concealer and the foundation. Always remember this step to avoid harsh lines, and also to make it easier while you apply foundation, to make it easier for you to blend in everything. After you're done with the cleaning part, just go in with the fluffy brush and just blend everything out. Don't forget the bridge of your nose, that is the area between your eyebrows. Make sure you also blend that out. And I think I'm impressed with this hack, guys. So go try it out using gel, and let me know in the comment section how it works out. I'll also list all the items that I've used in this video in the description box. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, and until the next video, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.